Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Mercedes Benz Sprinter Cargo. This 3-door van has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 168,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include keyless entry and stability control. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.